baby, watch your man out here. Tell me where he gone.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm coming on today to share with you guys how I made this lovely vase inspired by Gallerie. Okay everyone, here are the items that I'll be using, and I'll have them listed down in the description bar for you guys to go check out and see where I got them from, and the links to get some things for yourself if you'd like to do this DIY. Now let's get started on this DIY that I was inspired by Gallerie with a vase that I saw that they had, so I wanted to create it. Theirs is a little taller than mine, but I'm doing what I can with what I have. So let's get started. Okay, we're going to start with this silver bling wrap that I have from Totally Dazzled, and we're going to place it right around the bottom of our vase. Now we're going to take our mirrored pieces with our E6000, and we're going to glue the mirrored pieces going up the side of our vase. Now the side of our vase here, where the mirrors meet, they're open, but I'm going to use the bling wrap here and put along the side. Now this step is optional. You don't have to do it, but I'm just adding it to the sides. And here's our finished look, everyone. My Gallerie inspired mirrored vase. I think it looks really nice. I love how it turned out. Like I said, their vase was taller, which I didn't have a tall vase. I didn't have a tall square vase, but I had this small square one. So I said, you know what, I'm gonna make it. And I like how it turned out, and I added my extra bling to it. I really like how it turned out. And here's how it looks with flowers inside. And I also added some stones in there, some clear crystal stone, diamond stones, to, just hide the stems of the flowers. But I think it looks very nice with flowers in it too. And this is how I'll be using it as an access piece on my entrance table. So I'll give you guys a quick look of how that looks. So whether you use it as an accent piece or with flowers, it's both beautiful. Alright you guys, tell me what you think of my Gallerie inspired vase. Leave me a comment down below. And give me a big thumbs up, press the like button. And if you're not subscribed, go ahead and press that subscribe button. And don't forget to press the bell. And yeah, I think they say now you have to press the bell twice. Not just once, you have to press it twice. Alright you guys, so you can come back and see more of the DIYs that I come up with to share with you guys. And remember, as always, stay blessed from Petalisbless. Bye-bye, everyone.